Hey Max Impactors, this is Tim Rosinelli, and I was out in the woods this week and I found some chicken of the woods, and we're going to show you how to make a family favorite chicken of the woods parm. The thing I really like about this recipe is it's very simple. I'm going to show you, come down to the table here, and I'm going to show you the egg wash and the breadcrumb mixture that I use. And then we're going to fry it up in our cast iron pan. We already have the oven warmed up, and then after you cook them in the cast iron pan, we're going to throw them in the oven and bake them for 30 minutes. Okay, let's get to work here. So first thing is, we're going to heat up our pan. I'm going to do medium high heat, give it a good coating of olive oil. Must be olive oil for this because olive oil gives the flavor that you want. I already have the egg wash done here. That's 2 eggs, and I do give it a little bit of water. Okay, maybe like a teaspoon of water, and then mix it up. Now here's my breadcrumbs. Oh, by the way, some people do flour before this. You can do that. I find that it doesn't stick too well if you do the flour. So I'm just going to take some breadcrumbs. These are the Italian style, but you can use the, what do they call them, panko style, or regular breadcrumbs and kind of spice it up yourself. And I like to throw a little bit of grated Parmesan in there. Okay, this is more of a shredded, so I'm going to grate it with my hand a little bit. All right, and then we throw it in there, and we're going to use some more of this later on. So all you need to do is, you got your chicken of the woods here. I'm just going to throw it in the egg wash. Remember, mushrooms do absorb a lot of moisture, so that works really well with the egg wash. Then we're going to just throw it in here. Okay, we're going to press it down a little bit. I like to get a good coat of it, like that. And then we're going to throw this piece into the frying pan to fry. Okay, and we're going to do that with all of our chicken of the woods. And then we're going to get it into the frying pan, and we're going to fry them up. Okay, now that I have these cooking, I have a little spray bottle. I like to get a little olive oil on the top of it too. Just kind of helps everything stick a little better, I feel. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait till these are browned, and then we'll flip them over and cook them on the other side. Alright, I can smell them browning, so now I'm starting to just flip them over here. Golden brown. See how that almost looks like you would if it was regular chicken. That's what's great about this. Okay, and I'm going to flip these over. I really crammed them in to this pan. Usually I would just go to another one, but I just had just a few more pieces, so I just kind of crammed them in here. But we're going to flip them over. And now you're seeing a lot of them on the orange side. So if you see it looks a little orange like this one or this one, that's just the orange side of the chicken of the woods. And then some of these you'll see that are the yellow side of the chicken of the woods. And we're just going to continue to cook this. I like to spray it with a little bit of more oil, or you can get a little bit of, you know, just kind of go across like this with it and get some more oil in the pan. Alright, it's starting to look good. So what I'm going to do now is I just kind of get some marinara sauce on there. Not too particular with it. I can turn the burner off. Okay, now I got the marinara sauce on there. I'm just going to throw some mozzarella on top. Nice shredded mozzarella. You can use fresh mozzarella and cut it into little cubes, depending on what you got. Doesn't matter, real simple, easy. Let's not sweat the details on this one. Okay, then you just get some Parmesan and throw it on top. Yeah, look at that. Looks good right there. Okay, now, next step, we're going to put it in the oven. We have our oven set to 350 degrees. We're just going to throw our cast iron real in there, nice and simple. And then we're going to wait for 30 minutes. I just pulled it out of the oven, and here's the done chicken of the woods parm. It looks great. Got a lot of cheese on there. I like it when it's cheesy. You can pull this out of the pan, put it on top of pasta, or we love zoodles here. So you can do some zoodles and it's just a delicious way to eat your chicken of the woods. Thank you for watching this video, and we really appreciate all your support of our channel. If you want, make sure you subscribe down below so you can get more great videos from us. And also, we have this great podcast called Max Impact Theory. You can either watch it here or watch it on Spotify and subscribe to us there, or on iTunes. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.